Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today I want to show you a very special upcoming Unreal Engine toolset which will help you to build levels like the ones you see in the background in just a few hours. Yes, you're hearing right, the tedious and annoying process which back then took months or years can now be automated and streamlined so you can build these levels in just a few hours. Today we are diving into the world of city building with a fantastic new tool called CityBLD, designed for Unreal Engine 5. Whether you are an experienced game developer or just starting out, CityBuilds make creating cities a breeze. So stay tuned as we explore its features and see how it can revolutionize your game development process. But what is CityBuild and how does it work? CityBuild is like your personal assistant for building cities in Unreal Engine 5. It's a comprehensive toolkit that simplifies the entire city creation process. With CityBuild you can choose from a variety of city kits, which are essentially collections of assets like streets, buildings, sidewalks and all that stuff. And once you've selected your kit, CityBuild takes care about the rest, like generating a detailed street map, city blocks and buildings based on your preferences. It's incredibly intuitive and efficient, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects of city design without getting bogged down in technical details. And of course you can later also adjust the procedurally placed buildings by yourself or add more details by hand in those levels. But how does the process work? Let me break down the workflow for you with CityBuild. First, you choose a city kit that fits the style and the theme of your project in the best way. And once you have selected your kit, CityBuild generates a street map laying the foundation of your city layout. From there you can then generate city blocks within the street map, defining the boundaries of different neighborhoods or districts. And next then you create lots, which are plots basically of land allocated for specific purposes like residential, commercial or industrial usage basically. And once those lots are defined, CityBuild generates buildings and shapes of those lots, providing the framework for your city's architecture so that everything fits to this selected purpose like residential, commercial or industrial. And finally you can populate these building shapes with modular buildings, adding depth and detail into your cityscape. And you already see with just a few simple steps you can already create a fully realistic city environment that's ready for exploration. But let's break down maybe a little bit like the features and all that stuff, because one of the most impressive features of CityBuild is the flexibility. While it excels the creating of modern American and or European style cities out of the box, it's also incredibly flexible. With just a few modifications you can adapt CityBuild to create virtually any type of city which you can think about basically. Whether it's an ancient port town, a futuristic metropolis or something entirely unique. Plus, CityBuild supports curved roads and uneven terrain, and even interior generation is in the development and will be coming soon in beta 0.3. And all those features are giving you a complete creative freedom to design your ideal cityscape. And the cool thing here is like that CityBuild is actually designed to handle projects of any scale. Whether you're building a small town or a sprawling metropolis, CityBuild can handle it with ease. And thanks to its seamless integration with Unreal Engine 5's Nanite feature, you can create cities of virtually any size without worrying about performance issues and all that stuff. Plus, CityBuild offers the option to convert your entire scene to instanced meshes, reducing memory overhead and ensuring optimal performance, even in the largest of cities. Despite of its powerful features, CityBuild is incredibly user-friendly. It's designed to be accessible to developers of all skill levels, from beginners to experienced professionals. You don't need any programming knowledge or previous experience with Unreal Engine to get started with CityBuild. Its intuitive interface and straightforward workflow makes it easy to create stunning city environments basically, with just a few clicks. And whether you are a solo developer or part of a larger team, CityBuild streamlines the city creation process, allowing you to focus on realizing your creative vision without getting bogged down in technical details. So maybe to sum it all up, in conclusion, CityBuild is a game changer for everyone looking to create immersive, realistic cities inside of Unreal Engine 5, and its intuitive workflow, flexible features and seamless integration with Unreal Engine make it the ultimate tool for city generation. Whether you are building a bustling metropolis or just a small town, CityBuild have everything you need to bring your cityscape vision to life. And I'm already looking forward to the release of CityBuild to also test it out myself. And yeah, let me know what you think about this tool in the comments. I guess with this tool the time is over where you need to place all the buildings and models, all that stuff by hand, like we also did it back then for games like Niftyville. But of course, when you're looking for assistance building out your open worlds, we definitely should talk about that before you start, because there are so many tools like this one out there which can help you to build up your cities in a quicker and more efficient way, and also like optimize your workflows. And already back then, we built automations in Houdini, assembling huge cities in Unreal Engine in just a few hours. So feel free to contact me when you want to get some more assistance with the level design process for your game and all that stuff. But that's it for this video. I hope you liked this tool, and yeah, of course you can find all the links in the description of the video. But that's it for this video. Have a nice rest of your day, everyone, and take care. Bye.